Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer fund from Upwork to Payoneer. So at first, we need to have Payoneer connected with our Upwork account. Then just click on Manage Finance options to Financial Overview. After click here, we see that we have available 219 USD. So I just click on available amount. Then I need to click on get paid now. Okay, now we just need to click on our withdrawal method. If we have multiple option, we see that if we don't have Payoneer connected, we don't see that option. I already have Payoneer connected with my account, so I just click on Payoneer and I want to transfer 200 USD, so I just type 200 here. Payoneer withdrawal charge $2 from Upwork, so I received 198 USD in my Payoneer account. Now I just need to click get paid now option. That's it. Thank you.